Hello everyone. In the age of information flow, it may be necessary for many companies or colleagues to work together. Most of the methods are to set up a form for everyone to fill out and then assemble it in a unified manner. For some categorical fields, you need to use drop-down menus to limit the data entered. In the process, there are a lot of updates. So that many of the forms sent out, because the information is updated, have to be declared invalid and sent again. Every operator can cause trouble. If you can dynamically update the form drop-down option, then the data in the operation does not need to be rearranged. Just suspend the work and notify the manager. Take advantage of remote setup of new option and dynamically update option. The work can continue. Instead of moving all the data to a new worksheet. In this system, these categorical data are already available. Need the assistance of a system engineer? List the information on a very simple page. Copy the link of this page. Then go back to Excel. Select Data. Click from Web. The URL is pasted into the web link. After pressing OK, you can see the content of the web page. It reads: View each item. Find what you need. After selecting, press Transform Data. At this point, you can see the content of the web page read into the Power Query. Note that its header is generated automatically, not on the page header. Press Use First Row as headers. This completes the settings for reading the web page. Press Close and load. The content of the web page is loaded into the Excel worksheet. Select Formulas. Name. Enter album type. Note that the name cannot have blanks. Refers to. Select the data in the name column. Press OK. Go back to our table. Select Data. Click Data Validation. Allow select the list. Source direct input equal album type. Press OK to see a drop-down menu. Pull the cross in the lower right corner to copy the menu to the lower data cell. If there is an increase in album types in the system, for example, add reissue and compilation to the type item. In the original working mode, these Excel files may have to be resent. Now just press Refresh All and the contents of the drop-down menu will automatically increase. If you delete a type item, the drop-down menu is also reduced. You will say, when the data item changes, you still need to notify the user to update the menu one by one. It is not more convenient. In fact, these external links can be set to update automatically when the file is opening. In the Queries and Connections, select the menu connection, right-click to select Properties. Check Refresh Data when opening the file. In the future, when the file is opened, the menu will be automatically updated. Then, we can hide the menu data, avoid user modification. In this way, you can change the menu items uniformly.